Hello guys, do you want to earn 30 to 40 dollars per day by watching videos and by doing some extra works like reviewing of any app or maybe reviewing of any website or any services? This video is perfectly for you people, those who are students or who are housewives or who are working 9 to 5 jobs but they want to get some extra bucks. So in this video I'll show you how you can earn 30 to 50 dollars per day, and without doing much more harder work. You have to simply watch some videos, you have to download some apps, and you have to give some reviews to the products. How was the user interface, how was the functionality, different kind of things what you have to review. So those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh from tapeshchowdhury.com, and in this channel I talk about online entrepreneurship, making money online, and different other ways by which you can make money by working from home. So without making delay, let's get started.
Guys, now I'll show you the ways by which you can earn $30 per day by doing work of 1 hour or 2 hours work per day. Okay, so initially for that you have to register yourself and in PayPal. So PayPal is free and this is a currency conversion website, and you will get money in PayPal, and after registering yourself in PayPal you will get your commission, you will get your revenue with the help of PayPal. PayPal is very important because you will get in terms of dollars, and PayPal will help you to convert the money into Indian currency or any other currency, and you can get it to your bank account. So what you have to do, you have to simply register on PayPal as a user, and you can if you don't have PayPal, or else if you have PayPal you can connect with the respective website. So initially what you have to do, you have to go to a website that is called as user testing. So what is user testing? There are a lot of websites, there are a lot of companies who are paying users just to use their services, just to use their app, just to use their different kind of softwares and different kind of videos, and giving them review. So what you have to do, you have to simply register yourself as a tester. Simply if you go to get paid to test, you have to register as a tester. After that you can use the resources. So what kind of resource? So there are a lot of companies, like if I show you, so this usertesting.com is a huge big company, and they are in the market from very long time. So like if I say Walmart, Facebook, then CBS, these are all huge big companies. Okay, so they have different kind of services and different kind of products. Okay, so before launching any product or before launching any services, they want people to experience them, and after the experience, people used to give them review that this should work in that way, this option should be there in that particular page or something like that. Okay, so for that you don't have to become master of anything. If you have basic knowledge of English, if you are able to speak basic English, then only you are ready to go. So simply you have to watch some videos or watch their different kind of products. Like you have to download some apps, you have to just browse their website. There are a lot of things what you have to do. Okay, so if I show you different huge big companies like Adobe, eBay, Dell, Facebook, Udemy, there are a lot of websites who are tied up with this particular website, that is user testing. So user testing is in the market from very long time, and it's very trusted website, and you will get paid nearly around $20 or $15 per testing, and per day if you simply can complete the test, nearly around 2 or 3 tests, if you just 2 or 3 tasks, actually not test, so you will get nearly around $35 from this particular website. Apart, in the same way, there is one more website that is Userfill, the same work and same thing. Okay, so simply you have to register in Userfill, become a tester, as a tester. So simply if you go to this website and if you just click on become a tester, so you can register yourself as a tester, and they have also very good companies like TripAdvisor, 99 Design, Rakuten Marketing. Then there are a lot of things, Office Depot. These are very big companies. Okay, so they are all tied up with huge big companies and they are getting paid. They will pay you if you just give some reviews, if you just give some feedbacks of any testings. In the same way, you can register yourself as a userlytics. This is also very good website. So I have given listed in the three website, that is user testing, then user field, and this one is userlytics. So these are all trusted websites and there are a lot of people who are using these websites, and you will get paid if you can work at least 1 hour or 2 hours per day. So in these websites you have to simply register yourself as a tester, and no money, no additional information required at the upfront. You can simply start your work without any prior knowledge. That's all what you need. Simply, if you know how to record yourself, if you know how to speak in English, that is more than enough to get the work started on this particular website. So but yes, there is a catch. So what is the catch? University, they have some certain limitations. So maybe you can work for 30 minutes or 1 hour or 2 hours per day on this particular website. Then they will say you, thank you for your work, you will your daily limitation is over, you can come back with us and come back to us tomorrow. Okay, so in the same way, these are all websites like they have some limitations of work every day. But for example, if you are earning $30 from this website, $30 from this website, and $35 from this website, so per day, without investing any penny, without doing anything, you can earn $100 from these websites, these three websites. So this is super cool. Those people who are working in college or maybe in school, they don't have any money to pay upfront, they can use this website.
These are all small websites by which you can earn good amount of money if you are consistent in all three websites. Like, I understand that you have some barrier, you have some limitations to work on every single website, but yes, what happens once you are done with set of tasks for the day on user testing, you have to move to another website. So in this by doing this, you won't become much more rich, but yes, this is the business strategy is without spending money. By using these websites, you can earn near around $30 to $40 per day. I understand it's not that much big to give you a good income at the end of the month, but yes, these strategies, these websites are very useful for those people who wants to start their business, who wants to see the first income on online without even investing any kind of penny. So what will be my recommendation? You earn from these websites and save, and after that you will need this amount to invest on your business, like creating a website, making any kind of hosting, or subscribing different kind of mailchimp or different kind of softwares, maybe CRM, maybe different other softwares, whatever. So maybe you can use this amount of money in your business to grow up, to boost them up, to scale them up. So make sure you people do this work, and at the end of the month you can earn a good amount of money. So I think I was able to give you a value in this video. Make sure you people subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I create videos on making money online, working from home, affiliate marketing, and different other cool stuffs by which you can earn a good amount of money. So thank you so much guys for your time. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish very good luck in your future. Have a great day ahead.